Welcome to Forever Figueroa. Today we are building the town into Leena's Wonderland birthday party. For the entry, we are using the doorknob from Alice in Wonderland that my father-in-law built for us. I started by screwing the supports into the handrails and some wood across to drape black plastic over. I wasn't specific on any sizes. I just went for long pieces of wood and overlapped them and made them work. I didn't want to cut anything too specific so that when I take it apart, I can reuse it for other projects. I got the black plastic from Home Depot in the painting aisle. So I cut it. The plastic is actually 25 feet long and it's 10 feet wide. But I went with I draped it longwise and went 10 feet across, and I had to cut the excess, which was 5 feet that I was able to save and use in a different area. Using T50 staples, I stapled the plastic snug to all pieces of the wood that I could find. As soon as the plastic is done, I could run off and do something else. My wife takes over. By hanging up decorations, clocks, and cards. To give the effect of going through the rabbit hole, as in the movie. Entering into Leena's Wonderland party. The Chester cat was something that my father-in-law also made.